Hi traders, just looking at the Dow daily chart for the free video here. If you have a look at what we've done so far, this retest of this 12,000 was a retest of the trend line. So I put the fibs on this last big move from early May to early June, and now let's close up. So what we've done so far is, in terms of fibs, we have, that's the big downside. Here's the head and shoulders, which took us up to retest the top of the fib zone. Now, so with a big sell-off on the Philly Fed data on Thursday, this to me on Friday is a stopping bar. So it stopped this selling in its tracks. Now, what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing the potential. There's not much data this week. I'm seeing the potential for this to close above this area here and at least retest 12,850. And I think we might break through. I think we could break through it and even retest these upper levels. The danger is at the moment, well, I say danger, the problem with the analysis is that we are trapped between the 50 EMA here and the 200 EMA there. Whenever you get trapped in a box like that, you tend to just get a lot of sideways action for a while, and then whichever way we break out of that box will give the direction. So with a lack of data, we might just bump into these areas here for Monday, Tuesday, but I still think, if we can close above 12,675 or either Monday or the following day or two, I think this scenario could play out. Okay, it is swing tradable if you want, because it's a relatively close stop. You take the break at 12,635 with a stop on there at 12,555. That's it's a pretty close stop to see if we can just start to close higher and wind our way up. Alright? But don't write these markets off. I mean, the pound's had a rough time. The FTSE looks just like this, very, very similar. Let's just have a quick look at the FTSE. Sorry, the pound versus the US dollar. So we're right on a trend line here. We've got the public sector borrowing, which is deemed to show a deficit. So we might see a retest of this 155. But if we see 155, because there's massive support down there, we can get. If I can find some intraday support down there, I'd buy that and hold that to see if we could wind back up. That's certainly not swing tradable. I'm just seeing if this is a scenario that could play out. Okay, so intraday I would short it down to 155 and see if it gets bought down there, and then hold for another retest of this 157. Alright, that's what I'm looking for. Sorry about my deep voice at the moment. I'm not been very well over the last couple of days, but should be okay tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and happy trading.